Getting paid for just walking? What? How is that possible? Well, if you stick around long enough, maybe I'll show you. Hey guys, welcome back to Affiliates Den. This is Danish. Assalamu alaikum. And before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. And of course, if you want to live the life of a successful online entrepreneur and make a living out of it completely on passive income, I suggest you visit my description of this video and click the first link. You will not regret it. So, getting back to the video, how do you get paid by walking? Well, I'm gonna show you how through this little app called Lifecoin. Yes, sir. You can install this on App Store through App Store as well as from Google Play. As they're available on both operating systems. And the thing is, all you gotta do is install, and you walk and you get paid via Lifecoins. It's not cash, but it's as good as cash, because through Lifecoin you can avail Amazon gift cards and PayPal gift cards and a lot of other stuff, which in exchange you can go to stores, online stores, where these gift cards are accepted, and buy stuff from from whatever value of gift card that you have. So it's pretty much as good as cash. So it's good enough for online shopping. That's it. There's nothing more to it. All you gotta do, install the app and start walking, and you'll get paid for it in Lifecoins. Thing that, well, basically it's what I understand from it, that's how you get paid. I mean, this is what's happening. When you're walking, you're making coins. So that's what they're trying to say here. And the last thing with this app, that you can be an affiliate as well, an ambassador, in other words, and start promoting their app to other people. And when they install and they start walking, you earn a little bit from their earnings as well. So it's like you're walking and you're making people walk, and you're earning from your walks as well as from other people's walks. How simple as that. And you make money from that. It's not something that you are going to live off completely by using this app. I mean, you're not gonna exactly you wouldn't want to quit your job over this. That's what I'm trying to say here. So just a little side hustle per se. So yeah, something to do, something you can make most of. I don't know, pay some bills or something like that. You can make enough amount to do that. And there's one more app that I would like you to know, which is Sweatcoin. Similar app, also has an affiliate program, and what I'm unable to find out, I only know when I install it, is how can I get sweat coins? They also pay in sweat coins, but how do you redeem them? 15,000 for expedition. Yeah, well, what you can do is just install both apps and write it out, man. Just see what happens. Well, I'm very sure about the first app, Lifecoin. You can convert those Lifecoins into PayPal and Amazon gift cards. If you make like 20 something dollars from there, you can start maybe $25. As soon as you get $25, you can get a PayPal or Amazon gift card. But I'm not so sure. I was just looking, searching for Lifecoin. I also stumbled upon this one, so I'm not sure how do they pay, because maybe the swipe coin is easier to earn compared to Lifecoin. That's why their prerequisites to acquire these gifts is quite higher. But I think it's like 7,000 is the minimum for this gift card, or whatever you want to call it. But 7,000. I think they pay this. It's easier to make swipe coin. That's what I'm getting from this. But we'll know when we install. But the people, I've heard that people are making like 5,000, 4,000 a week through Instagram, sharing their link over Instagram. Well, not necessarily on their profile, but they find an influencer. They pay them like $50 or $100 and ask them to promote their link. Now these influencers, they have like hundreds and thousands of followers already. So whenever they promote their link, they start getting sign-ups through those influencers, and makes decent amount of cash. So you can do that. You can like spend $100 over marketing. This is sort of marketing, paid marketing. So you can talk to an influencer and ask that person if they would wanna, promote your link, and you can do that, and maybe make some decent amount. Other than that, it's not exactly a full-time job, so don't get too excited. But still, you can install both apps and maybe forget about it for a couple of months and get surprised how much you have made. Alright guys, well, that's it for today's video. Signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.